Welcome back to Ultimise's Countdown to Branding Eminence. Today we're going to take you on a tour of 5 tips for timeless taglines. Let's get rolling. Number 1 is be bold, break boundaries. The perfect example for this is Nike's Just Do It. A tagline so good that it's actually become part of pop culture to communicate going to the nth degree, which is a perfect thing to do in marketing. We at Ultimise also developed a tagline for a fintech project. That one is Own the Future, communicating that you, by connecting with this platform, can actually be a part of owning the future. Within 3 words, we got a message across. Number 2 is be emotional rather than informational. The core purpose of taglines is to get at people's emotions and still communicate your message. A great example of this is McDonald's, I'm loving it. It communicates more than tasty food, but a whole family-friendly environment that you can have at McDonald's. And another one I really like is L'Oreal Paris's Because You're Worth It. Of course, this is a cosmetic brand, so it's communicating with a primarily female audience, and they're saying you should connect with this brand because you're worth it. You deserve to look good with our products. And we at Ultimise also developed a tagline for a hospitality project. It's a resort hospitality organization, and we use the words living happiness. The idea is to communicate what is happiness. Happiness is so many things on your vacation, and here you can actually live that happiness, and it is a lifestyle that involves happiness. Number 3 is be brief and pack a punch. To give an example of this, we would have to go with Apple's Think Different. In just those 2 words, they communicated a whole lot of things that really encapsulates the core values of Apple. And we at Ultimise developed another tagline, also 2 words, which is sharing matters. This was for a social platform, and so with these 2 words, we communicate that sharing positive content matters. And it also is about sharing matters, sharing things about your life. And that sharing itself makes a difference. It can bring about change. Number 4 is be simple yet meaningful. And I really like Gatorade's tagline, which is it in you? Is it in you? Of course, we know that the meaning of is it in you, is it like do you have what it takes? Are you ready to go the distance and all that? But in this case, they took that and they turned it into something that resounds with their brand, and that is the Gatorade in you as well? And also we've got John Deere's amazing tagline, nothing runs like a Deere. So they're communicating, of course, that their tractors and their machinery run better than the competition by bringing it into the symbol of their brand, which is a deer. We at Ultimise also developed a tagline for Vida Corporation, which sells primarily agricultural products and also food supplements for people. So we were able to communicate about all that business by saying, in the business of life. So the core value of this company is to conduct business which brings better life to both agriculture as well as people. Another tagline that we developed is for an environmental initiative, and that is the words change generation. What we're communicating here is change how we generate power, how we generate electricity and energy today, but also that you can be part of a change generation, one that makes a difference and changes this planet. Finally, number 5 is be clear yet mysterious. A great example of this is the classic tagline from the US of Got Milk. It kind of leaves you thinking, what are they really saying? But at the same time really clearly communicates what they want to say. So it's basically reinforcing the idea that milk is a positive thing that you should be drinking, whether you agree with that or not. And so it's Got Milk. And another one that Ultimise developed is for ST Bank in Laos, and that is bank on strong. So the idea is bank on, depend on strength and confidence, and bank on, continue doing your banking in a strong way with STB. Another tagline we developed for the same organization is for their mobile application called ST Hub. Now hub of course means a hub, but in Lao, hap also means to receive. And so our tagline in the Lao language is Sing Didi Ti Hap Sama, which means the good things that you can always receive. But this has a double meaning because it's good things in the app itself that you will receive, as well as the good things in life that you'll receive by interacting with this application. So that's been our 5 tips for timeless taglines. Let's recap. Number 1, be bold, break boundaries. Number 2, be emotional rather than informational. Number 3, be brief and pack a punch. Number 4, be simple yet meaningful. And number 5, be clear yet mysterious. And if you need a friend, a partner to help you in the process of developing your unique brand, your tagline, your logo, your media content, well, we're here ready to help you through that process at whatever part or whatever stage of the process you need assistance. Feel free to contact us today at ultimise.com. I'm Jonas Anderson. See you next time.